Hi guys, this is the new makeup app I saw. It's so nice. It literally changes everything, the hair, the eye, your mouth shape and everything. It's just so incredible. I will recommend you to go and look for it and try it. I guarantee you 99%. They're just so nice. And the name is at the front, as you can see, you can makeup. You can even change your hair color and everything. It's just so good. Now it's black. That is so nice. And it will also keep you natural. It's just, I don't even know the word to describe it, but it's very, very nice. And it also makes you to be natural. They have a lot of different types of lipstick, everything, eyeshadow, anything you want, but you can pick the one that suits you. This one suits me a lot. That's why I picked it. That's so nice. I'm very happy. I found it yesterday that I was looking for something. It's so nice.
Check out the app today.
It's so nice. I guarantee 100%. Just rate the makeup for me. 1 out of 10. 1 out of 10. Let me know whether I'm good or not.